Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu reports that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Three men were going on a journey when they were caught in rain. They took shelter in a cave. A huge stone came rolling down from the hill and stopped at the entrance of the cave, and their way got blocked. They asked each other, 'Recall the good deed which you have done only to please Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and supplicate Allah Jalla Jalaluhu by means of it. Perhaps He Jalla Jalaluhu may remove it away from you.' One of them said, 'O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, my parents were extremely old and my children were extremely young. I used to graze the goats for them, and when I would milk them, I offered the milk to my parents to drink before giving it to my children. One day I got late and I reached home late at night, and they both had fallen asleep. I milked the goats and stood there by their heads. I did not feel like awaking them up and disliked it to offer the children milk prior to them. The children were wailing by my feet till the dawn broke. If you view it as an action which I did only for your pleasure, remove it to an extent that one can see the sky.' So Allah Jalla Jalaluhu removed it and they could see the sky. The second one said, 'O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I had a cousin whom I loved as much as a man can love a woman. I wished something from her, but she refused till I might give her 100 dinar. I toiled much to save them, and when I sat between her legs, she said, 'O Allah's bondsman, fear Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and do not open the seal without having a right.' So I got up. 'If you count it as an action which I did only to please you, give us a way.' So the entrance widened. The third one said, 'O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I hired a man to do my work in exchange for one faraq, 12 kilograms of rice. When he had completed his task, he said to me, 'Give me my right.' When I was going to give him the right, he turned and went away. I kept on growing them till I gathered cows and shepherds. He came back to me and said, 'Fear Allah Jalla Jalaluhu.' I said, 'Go to the cows and shepherds and take them.' He said, 'Fear Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and don't play a joke with me.' I said, 'I am not kidding with you, but take them.' So he took them. 'If you count it an action which I did only for your pleasure, remove it completely.' So Allah Jalla Jalaluhu removed it completely." Imam Abu Abdullah Bukhari said there is the word fasa'aitu in Nafi'u's narration. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2333.